In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Chrome and calculate operation stats using an online spreadsheet, workspace, or mapping tracker. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to whichever online tool you prefer to use for calculations. This could be a spreadsheet workspace like a browser-based sheet or even a mapping and tracking tool if that's where you organize your driving records. The main goal here is to have a clean place where you can enter your numbers clearly and see the calculations step by step. Using an online workspace also makes it easier to update your figures later if fuel prices or trip totals change. Once your workspace is ready, take a look at your weekly Uber Australia driver statement for 2026 and find your overall vehicle mileage or trip tracking metrics. You want to note the total distance you drove for that week. Be careful to use the full weekly total rather than a single trip amounts, because this calculation is meant to show your broader operating fuel cost. It can help to copy that number into your spreadsheet right away and label it clearly so you don't confuse it with other driving totals. Next, check the current retail fuel cost pricing across Australia. You're looking for an average fuel price per litre in Australian dollars. Since fuel costs can vary depending on region and timing, make sure you use a current and relevant figure that matches the fuel type your vehicle uses. Enter that amount into your spreadsheet as well. Keeping this separate from your distance data helps make the final cost calculation much easier to follow. After that, take your total driven kilometers and divide that number by your car's fuel economy rate. This fuel economy figure should be the specific rate your vehicle uses based on the scale you normally reference for consumption. The purpose of this step is to estimate how many liters of fuel were needed to cover the total distance driven. Double check that your distance and fuel economy units match properly so the result makes sense. Now take the liters you calculated and multiply that number by the local fuel price per liter. This final multiplication gives you your real operating fuel cost for the trips covered in that weekly statement. In other words, you're converting your estimated fuel usage into an actual dollar amount based on current pricing. As a final tip, review all the numbers once before relying on the result. Small